Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I thought of making a video on skincare routine because this is lockdown season and we are not able to go to anywhere, to any parlor for our skincare routine. So I thought of making this video because so that everybody will get the chance to do their skincare at house. As you can already see that I have makeup on my face, so I will remove all this makeup in front of you and then use the products instantly and then show you that how it helps improving your skin texture or how it helps improving your skin. So as you can see, I had done some makeup for my previous video, so let me remove this makeup using a cleansing milk. I am using here Lakme cleansing milk. I think I have shown this video earlier. So what I will do next is I have this product from Mamaearth because I'm using my front camera, so you will not be able to see the image, but I will link the description in the description box so you can see what is the product that I'm using. So this one is Mamaearth face mask. This reduces acne and pimples and brightens and tightens our skin. This has charcoal, coffee, clay and fruit extracts. And this makes your skin very bright and tight. The pack inside is black in color. So I will just put it on my face. I will keep this on my face for 15 minutes and then wash it. So I've cleaned my skin and then now I'm back. You can just check my skin. It looks little better. I mean, it looks little cleaner without, how was it like before using this? It looks little better, right? Okay, so I will show you another product. This is a product from VLCC. This product is, this is again a mud face pack, and this is a Multani Mitti pack. So many of us use Multani Mitti pack, and those are not branded ones. I mean, those are found in small packets, but this one is from VLCC, and VLCC products are quite trustable. And yeah, Multani Mitti is not suitable for all skin types. I think some people tend to have allergies when they put Multani Mitti on their face, and this one is good. I mean, this is milder form of Multani Mitti. This is not very strong and it does not have a very strong fragrance that you will have allergy from that. I've been using it from past 2 years and it has very good quantity kept in it, and it was good with my skin. So this is one that you can use during this lockdown for a better skin. As I already told you in my previous videos that there are some exciting offers going on in Nykaa.com. So not in that offer season. Earlier to that, I had purchased some very nice face masks from the Nykaa.com, where I got 7 face masks, and with the 7 face masks I got 7 face masks free, and the face masks had different functions. Like one had functioning in brightening in face, one was useful for increasing the hyaluronic acid in our face, and one was for brightening our face, one is for refreshing look. So there were 7 different flavors with me from the Nykaa face mask, and I have still few left with me, so I will show you this very quickly. So these are the ones. This one is Unmask Pearl plus Hyaluronic Acid for firm and brightened skin, and this is again the same one. And this one is for increasing your collagen content. So these masks are very refreshing. I mean, let me open and show you one mask quickly. So this has the whole mask is folded like this. It is little liquidy, so you have to be careful that all the liquid that is there in it shouldn't come out. I think people from all the ages can use this mask. Yes. So it is so convenient because it has holes in it where you can place it properly over your face organs. And you can do your work and then put it on your face and then just leave it like this on your face. Yes. So I'll keep it like this for 10-15 minutes, still till it gets very dry. Then I'll remove it and wash my face and see you guys. So 15 minutes are over and it's time to remove the face mask. So let me remove it quickly. I mean, see, it's stuck on my face, which means most of the moisture in the face mask is already absorbed in my face. See, it's little sticky on my face. So let me remove it. See, do you see? The whole liquid is transferred on my face, and my face is looking like it has some gel on its face, on its place. Do you see? So what we can do is either we can lie down for some time and let the liquid form dry on our face, and then we can wash our face. So I will wait for 10 minutes to get the liquid dry on my face, and I will see you guys again. So do you see the liquid is dry on my face? That's totally gone. So after all this skincare routine, I think we should go for facial. So I have one facial kit with me. This is again from VLCC, and this is a gold facial kit. This is gold facial kit for luminous and radiant complexion. So in VLCC there are 4 facial kits available. One is pearl facial, one is gold facial, one is silver, and one is platinum facial. And I think the new version is diamond facial. So I have already used the pearl facial and platinum one, and this is the third one that I'm using. I think among all these 3 which I'm using, the pearl one is best, because after you do the whole procedure on your face, you get some pearly shine on your face. So that's why I think the pearl one is good. I'm planning to come up with a detailed procedure for home facial, because we are not able to go out, so it's better to do our facials at home. How many days will we stay without doing our facials. So I will go with the gold kit, and probably in my next video I will show you the detailed procedure for home facial. If you guys want to encourage me for making some more videos, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, see you guys.